Hello friends, welcome to Subveggie. Today we are going to learn wonderful vanilla popsicles recipe. Some ice cream and so much juices and ice fruits. Huh. Today we are going to learn one of those, that is vanilla popsicle. Right away you can prepare it at home with easy available ingredients at home, and will be getting within no time, and can enjoy with these popsicles with your kids, and have a wonderful blast in the evening. So this is one of the recipes of popsicles, and I will be introducing so many other varieties in next videos. First we'll see the ingredients to prepare this. We need milk cream 1 cup, full fat milk 2 cup, and icing sugar 3 by 4 cup, and vanilla essence 2 tablespoons. Now we'll see directions to prepare. Take milk in a bowl, and after that take your icing sugar, add to the milk. After that add vanilla essence to this bowl. Mix all these ingredients well so that the sugar will be melted. After that take cream in bowl. Now whip cream till lightly thickened. Whip like this 5 minutes so that it will be thickened like this. And after that add the milk you have prepared, vanilla essence milk. Add this milk to this cream and whip again well. Everything will be combined well. Now our milk is ready, vanilla cream milk. So now you take this milk to a jug so that you can pour this to molds easily. This is the mold I am taking here. Keep ready your mold also. The molds will be available in markets in different shapes. Take one and fill the molds with vanilla cream milk and insert stick into it. Some other mold, these type of molds also available in markets. So I'm taking one of this also. So in this you have to fill the milk, and after that you have to keep the lid like this. And after that freeze all these molds overnight in fridge. Oh yeah, wonderful, right? Our popsicles are very much ready. Looking itself we can judge. Now run the mold under water and remove it carefully. It is compulsory to run the water and mold so that it will be easily coming out. And then what now? Serve immediately. Yum yum. Kids really run to have it. Wonderful recipe, wonderful vanilla flavor. Vanilla is one of my favorite, and kids also really love it very much when you prepare nicely. So you also try it and prepare and enjoy these popsicles in the hot summer. So this is for today. I will be introducing so many other flavors in next sessions. So keep watching, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.